Debbie, do you know what the 28th of February is?
Is it a leap year?
No. It's Global Scouts Day.
Oh, that's nice. I like Scouts.
Do you eat Scouts?
Oh, we do, yeah. In our house, they love Scouts in our house.
What's your recipe?
Well, some nice beef, carrots, onions,
It's half stew and steak,
parts of potatoes,
half mincemeat,
2 oxos.
A little bit of tomato puree.
pot herbs.
Oh, you don't mess with Scouse.
Lovely.
And I've got a secret recipe, but I don't know if I want to tell you it.
Well, I did a Scouse pantomime in Porchfield Association, and I was Scouserella's mum in Cinderella.
Oh, you don't mess with Scouse.
Pot herbs. Don't know if you've ever heard of a packet of pot herbs. They sell them in the fruit and veg shop. Because it thickens up overnight on its own.
It's not too much salt.
Scouse Day, I think it's very appropriate to say that I was picked to speak on this show. I like Scouts.